Good morning students. Today now I am going to see about compound. Define compound. When two or more elements combine chemically to form a new substance, the new substance is called a compound. For example, sugarcane is made up of three elements. Which one? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The chemicals formula of sugarcane is C12H22O11. This is a compound. For three elements are present in the one atom or molecule. A compound has properties that are different from those of the element from which it is made. For example, common salt. What is a compound? When two or more elements combine chemically to form a new substance. The new substance is called as a compound. Do you know compounds of phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium are used in fertilizers? Silicon compounds are of immense importance in the computer industry. Compounds of fluorine are used in our toothpaste as they strengthen our teeth. Next, lesson 3. See difference between elements and compounds. What is mean by element? Made up of only one kind of atom. What is mean by compound? Made up of more than one kind of atom. This one is only one kind of atom. This one is more than one kind of atoms. Second one, the smallest particle that retain all its properties is the atom. That means if take a copper rod, if you cut one end, we have to check the physical and chemical properties. They have to other end also checked. Same physical and chemical properties are present in there. So that means here retains. But smallest particle that retains all its properties in the atom. Here the smallest particle that retain all its properties is the molecule. But here only retain in the atom, this one here retain in the molecule, and third one cannot be broken down into simpler substance. Here it is can be broken down into elements by chemical methods. Chemical methods means by heating, by passing the temperature, by passing the electric current, etc. Okay, these are the elements and compounds differentiate. This is very important questions. Next, let us see mixtures. What is mean by mixture? A mixture is an impure substance. It contains two or more kind of elements or compound or both physically mixed together in any ratio. What is a mixture? A mixture is an impure substance. It contains two or more kind of elements or compounds or both physically mixed together in any ratio. For example, tap water is a mixture of water and some dissolved salt. Lemonade is a mixture of lemon juice, sugar and water. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases. Soil is a mixture of clay, sand and various salt. Milk, ice cream, rock salt, tea, smoke, wood, seawater, blood, toothpaste and paint are some other examples of mixers. Alloys are mixers of metals. For example, gold. Gold is a mixture of some elements. More to know. LPG gas also mixture. Liquefied petroleum gas. It is highly inflammable hydrocarbon gas. It contains mixture of butane and propane gases. LPG liquefied through pressurization is used for heating, cooking, auto fuel, etc. Next, let us see differences between compound and mixture. This question is also very important one. This one is an example for mixture. The black compound is iron 2 sulfide. Iron is a black color and sulfur is a yellow color. Iron plus sulfur is heating for mixing iron sulfide. Iron is which color? Black color and sulfur is yellow color. Both are mixing, heat in iron sulfide is produced. The iron sulfide formed has totally different properties to the mixture of iron and sulfur. These are the substance, appearance, effect of magnet. Iron is a element. Appearance dark gray powder. Effect of magnet attract to it. Next sulfur, one kind of element. Appearance yellow powder. Effect of magnet known. Iron plus sulfur mixture directly yellow powder. Iron powder attracted to it. Iron sulfide compound. It form a compound iron sulfide. In appearance black solid. Effect of magnet no effect. This one is an example for mixture. Next, let us see differentiate between mixtures and compounds. This is important questions. What is mixture? It contains two or more substance. Compound, it is a single substance. Compound is a single substance. And the second one, the constituent may be present in any preparation. The constituent are present in definite preparation. Third one, they show the properties of their constituent. They do not show the properties of the constituent of element. The compounds may be separated easily by physical method. Here only it is the components can only be separated by one or more chemical method. Is easier separate panna mudiyum. This one is one or more method it can be separated. This mixture and compound. This is one is a very important question. Sit and study. Next, let us see types of mixture. Most of the substance that we use in our daily life are mixtures. In some we will be able to see the components with our eyes, but in most other the different components are not visible. Based on their mixture is classified into two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homo means same, hetero means different. Homogeneous example for true solutions and alloys. True solutions, these mixing together cannot separated. Alloys also mixing together. Two or more metals joined together, it forms a alloys. For example, gold. Next, heterogeneous. Heterogeneous is classified in examples for suspensions and colloids. What is meant by suspensions? Suspension means is a mixture of iodine and common salt. Iodine is a crystal and common salt is a usually for in our kitchen. Both are mixed together that can be separate in easily. This one is suspensions. And colloids. Colloids, for example, toothpaste, honey, this is a colloids mixing in a paste form. Okay, next let us see homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous? A mixture in which the components cannot be seen separately is called as a homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the components cannot be seen separately is called as a homogeneous mixture. It has a uniform composition and every part of the mixture has the same properties. For example, tap water, milk, air, ice cream, sugar syrup, ink, steel, bronze and salt solution are homogeneous mixture. And another one kind of example, if you take a drop of water and pure milk, it cannot be separated. It is a milk only. It cannot separate it to milk and otherwise water. Okay, this is a homogeneous mixture. Next, let us see heterogeneous mixture. A mixture in which the components can be seen separately is called as a heterogeneous mixture. It does not have a uniform composition and properties. For example, soil, a mixture of iodine and common soil, a mixture of iodine and common salt, a mixture of sugar and sand, a mixture of oil and water. Oil and water is a cannot mixing. Since two layers are present, one is water is present in the bottom, oil is present in the top. A mixture of sulfur and iron filling and a mixture of milk and cereals. These are the heterogeneous examples. What is homogeneous? A mixture in which the components cannot be seen separately is called as a homogeneous. It has a uniform composition and every part of the mixture has the same property. What is heterogeneous? Hetero means a different. A mixture in which the components can be seen separately is called as a heterogeneous mixture. It does not have uniform composition and properties. In this topic is over. Next topic I will send you later. Thank you.